Hello, good afternoon, guys. It is so quiet and cold. Oh my goodness. So I just finished streaming for the day, and yeah, it's been quiet in the house for ages, so I know that the girls have left. The problem is that they left when leaving all the windows open. Oh, this is why. They've got the big window open over here. Look at the wind blowing. And they leave this big ass window open. What? Oh, are you guys here? I thought I heard you guys go.
No.
Okay. They're all home. It's still cold inside though, so closing the windows. Okay, I thought they were gone. I swear I heard the car leave. Anyway, might make myself a bit of lunchy munchies. I don't know what I feel like. What do you guys reckon? Just having like a normal sandwich? There's Mum's Irish moss. What do you reckon? I don't even know what I want. Noodles, perhaps? Pringles? I don't know. I feel like some scrambled eggs. Oh, we have bacon. You can have bacon and eggs for lunch, can't you? I might do that.
We always know that if we're out and one of us needs to go to the bathroom, we go here, because then you can watch Peppa Pig.
Alright, so we're going to do this bread thing again. We figured out what the problem was last time and why it rose so much. You put too much yeast in. Because the packet on the back of the actual packet says to just dump everything in. But if you look in the actual instruction manual, in there in the back there's recipes that actually account for this kind of bread, this exact bread and brand. And it says to only put 1 teaspoon of yeast in there, and there's actually like 2.5 teaspoons of yeast in here.
So I want acknowledgement that it wasn't my fault.
No, it wasn't Mum's fault. It was the back of the packet mix that was the fault. So yeah, we put in the exact measurements that the manual for the bread machine has said. So here we go. And go.
I just do want to point out that I really felt like a failure that morning.
Because you can't even make pre-packaged bread.
In the bread machine. I didn't have to knead it. I didn't have to tip it all in. And in the morning we got up and it wasn't cooked. And I thought, oh God, that's just it. I just have to give up, walk away, never touch anything
Give up
again.
the cooking forever and ever. Nah, it wasn't your fault, Mum. It's okay.
And I just want to point out, if this one doesn't work, it wasn't me that did it.
I don't take blame. Must be your fault with the machine or something. Pepper and a beepy laying on the side. That's a new thing lately. She like, instead of laying just like sitting square on, she likes to lounge now on her beanbag. Look at her, just not a care in the world. She doesn't even, yeah, you can't get her attention while Pepper's on. All tangled, all tink. Excuse me. Hey. Hi. Sorry.
You know the best thing?
Sorry. Yeah.
At all the department stores now, in the kids areas, on this massive screen, everywhere you go, they're playing Peppa Pig.
Yeah. It's a new thing in department stores now. They have these kids sections in between the toys and the kids' clothes. And they, yeah, just put in a like little play area, colouring books, toys, etc., etc. And they just play Peppa Pig at every place you go. Or Ninja Turtles, depending on the day. So yeah, whenever we go to the department store now, you always hear Peppa Pig as soon as you get into the clothing area, and Beebe just goes straight for it. You'd be happy to know, guys, that the black camera did actually survive. I'm vlogging on it right now. The microphones were a little bit damp yesterday, so I did record a little bit after I had dried the camera, but the microphones were still like, not the microphone itself, the little like fuzzy covering bits that were, yeah, they were just a bit damp and it was very muffled sound, but they worked out okay, perfectly fine. What are you looking for?
Let's do it in that.
Let's do it in that. Anus is making slice because we've got family visiting tomorrow. No, normally.
Nana's 70th.
You know how Anus was complaining about no food processor, so I said go in the shed and get it. Yeah, we just whizzed up 2 full packets of biscuits, a full packet of clinkers, and a full packet of Maltesers in like 2 minutes.
Not even.
And it takes like Anus 10 minutes to crush a full pack of biscuits.
10 minutes with the
Try
hammer.
20.
With the hammer. What do you use a hammer for? Use a rolling pin.
We don't own a rolling pin. Mum threw it out.
Why would you throw out the rolling pin?
We just haven't unpacked.
Once you, well,
Oh shit.
there's like 10 rolling pins in here. They're called bottles.
Oh, I use the baking spray.
So anyway, she's melting a whole heap of butter and she's melting.
Hey. Oh, mother.
Bibi! Stop playing with the TV! Just watch it! Yeah, she's making a whole heap of slices anyway. Anus, can you not play with fire while wearing that jumper?
I didn't.
You will die!
I was like going like that because there was a gas smell because I didn't light it properly.
You will die. Press select. Women.
Where's select?
Bloody.
Where's select?
We've got Fiery Firison over here, we've got Dummy Dummerson over here.
Can you believe they're making a new they've made a new Dumb and Dumber movie with Jeff Daniels and Jim Carrey?
Yeah?
Like you give a shit. But
Yeah?
anyway.
Want to hear the world's most annoying sound? Week. And then 4 hours later, bread. Proper bread that doesn't touch the top. Look, that's how it came out. Look, and it's springy and yet soft at the same time. Beautiful.